Hey, I had some questions asked to me the other day about about what I'm doing in affiliate marketing and what's involved in. Honestly, it's a lot of things. It takes a lot of work. But if anybody's telling you that it's like 2 to 3 hours and that's it, and you just make thousands of dollars, that's not accurate. Okay, it can be done long term, but in the beginning, you got to do a lot of training, a lot of studying. So you're learning high value skills. Now the business model is simple, but the skills are complex and they are high value. So you got to spend some time training, and that's okay. You know, you got to invest in yourself. You got to invest in your business. But if you do that, then you can get into the system and you get kind of building up and you kind of get your business rolling, and then you can get to that point where you do 2 to 3 hours a day. It's a little more realistic. So it's not that it's not possible, it's just not really realistic. But also, what I want to recommend to you is that, if you do decide you want to do something like this, think it through and make sure it's something you really want to commit to, because it's a business, and a business takes work. It takes effort, and it's hard work. But at the same time, it's something that's really rewarding. So what I'm an affiliate marketer. I do digital products. I don't do physical products. So you're not going to see a lot of stuff from like Amazon and Walmart and things like that, although that's great and that's definitely an avenue a lot of people do. I do digital products because I'm a tech guy, so I like to focus on software applications and things like that. However, this isn't like a multi-level marketing thing. If somebody decides they want to do this, I don't get paid anything for them. I get a commission, obviously, but off them, maybe doing a course or something that I've recommended, but I don't get like paid off sales that you do and things like that. That's just not how this works. It's not multi-level. I'm not anyone's boss. I'm not over anyone. No one's over me. No one's under me. No one, I'm not over anything like that. That's not the way it works. This is a real legitimate, solid business model, and you can make a lot of money at it. But it's like any other business. It takes some work. But if you're interested, click the link and comment below, and I'll show you how I'm doing this with my free ebook.